Hey there, puzzle pals! Ever walked past a newspaper and seen that grid of numbers looking all mysterious? That's Sudoku, and guess what? It's not as scary as it looks. In fact, Sudoku is like a brain workout disguised as a fun game. No complex maths, no tricky words, just pure logic and deduction. And the best part, once you crack the code, it's crazy addictive. You'll be wanting to solve puzzles on napkins, receipts, maybe even your mate's forehead, though they might not appreciate that last one. Ready to dive in? Let's go! Picture a big square like a chessboard but with 9 smaller squares inside. That's your Sudoku battlefield. Each small square needs a number, from 1 to 9. Sounds easy, right? Here's the catch. Each row, across, must have all numbers from 1 to 9, no repeats. Each column down also needs 1 to 9, no repeats here either. And get this, each of those smaller 3x3 squares, yep, they need 1 to 9 too, all unique. That's the beauty of Sudoku, simple rules, but oh boy the possibilities. Time to unleash your inner detective. Here are 3 beginner-friendly strategies. 1. Single candidate search. Look for a square where only one number can fit, based on what's already in its row, column, and 3x3 block. Think of it like finding the missing puzzle piece. 2. Elimination. If a number already exists in a row, column, or 3x3 block, you can cross it off as a possibility for other squares within that same row, column, or block. It's like narrowing down suspects in a mystery. And 3. Pencil it in. Not sure about a number? Lightly write it in the corner of the square as a possibility. This helps you keep track of potential candidates without making permanent mistakes. Section 4. Tricky traps to avoid. Even seasoned Sudoku solvers fall for these traps. Watch out. First, rushing. Take your time. Sudoku is about careful observation and deduction, not speed. Second, assuming. Don't just guess. Make sure every move is backed up by the rules. And third, getting discouraged. Some puzzles are trickier than others. If you get stuck, take a break and come back with fresh eyes. Remember, every Sudoku puzzle has a solution. Don't give up. Section 5. Let's crack a Sudoku. Let's try an easy one. See, not so scary after all. Section 6. Keep on puzzling. Congratulations, you've taken your first steps into the awesome world of Sudoku. Now it's time to put your skills to the test. Grab a newspaper, download a Sudoku app, or challenge your mates to a puzzle duel. The more you practice, the better you'll get. And hey, don't be shy, share your Sudoku triumphs and struggles in the comments below. Let's conquer the world of Sudoku, one puzzle at a time.